Hello everyone, here's an exciting opportunity to win a cash prize. We are launching a prize-winning tutorial video competition based on Grapes software. Participants can create a tutorial video explaining any feature of Grapes. You can choose any subject from our ecosystem, including mobile apps, web portals, or desktop modules. Your video should clearly explain the features, usage, and benefits of the selected module. The tutorial can be created in any language. Here are the video guidelines. The duration should be 3 to 5 minutes. Choose any feature of Grape software. Create a tutorial or feature explanation video. Upload it on your YouTube channel from March 16th to April 30th. Only videos posted before April 30 will be considered for the competition. Participants are encouraged to mention and collaborate with the Grapes IDMR YouTube channel while creating the video. Now, the winning criteria. The participant whose video gets the highest number of views will win an exciting prize. The prize money is 99,099 rupees. So get ready to create, explain, and inspire. Start your tutorial today, and all the best everyone. For more details about the competition, please check the video description.